Samsung is on its way to a better start with Galaxy Z Flip 4. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is going to be the next big hit for the Samsung, and Samsung predicted this ahead of its time. Meanwhile, Samsung is also making some meaningful changes with the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is going to hit the market in August along with the Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Watch 5 with 3 models. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 will going to have a new outer display with new colors and possibly one of the fastest storage option available in the market, which is best for 5G connectivity. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 or iPhone 14, which one would you prefer? According to the Ross Young display supply chain consultant, shared the colors of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. According to him, we may see 4 colors on the Galaxy Z Flip 4: gold, gray, light blue and light violet. And with those people who are interested in light blue, which is for the first time will introduce in Flip 4 devices. For now, it is not clear if we get a bespoke edition or not. For those who don't know what is bespoke, Samsung last year offered custom colors combination the Galaxy Z Flip 3, where you can select custom colors available for the Samsung official website and get a customized version of your device. Let's hope Samsung will carry this tradition with the Galaxy Z Flip 4. According to the Ross Young, Samsung is improving the outer display and making it bigger. According to Ross Young, we may see over 2 inches display in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. He didn't give the exact number, but last time with the Galaxy Z Flip 3 it was 1.9 inches, so we can expect like 2.1 or 2.2 inches outer display. Samsung also announces the UFS 4.0 this week, and we may see some big performance improvement over the upcoming smartphones, with faster read and write speed and having the ability to throw more data around the system, with having a 23.2 gigabit per second per lane, which is double than UFS 3.1. This will be perfect for 5G connectivity, and it is expected to get used in automotive, AR and VR as well. And it is also confirmed that Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 will going to come with Snapdragon Gen 1 Plus, which is almost 10% faster than previous generation and have a better management overheating problems. While there is no news for the inner display for the Galaxy Z Flip 4, and according to the news it will be same, but let's hope Samsung will surprise us with the different aspect ratio in the inner display, and we can expect, since Samsung is improving the battery, having a bigger outer display, so we can expect a bit bigger inner display as well. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 or iPhone 14, which one would you prefer? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.